Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is a hire washing machine. It's 15 years old, something like that, and I've been messing with it, changing the fill level with the pressure switch and stuff like that. But I also have this tap fitted to add more water to rinse it. When you're rinsing, sometimes I reckon more water's better, especially when it keeps coming out with bubbles. You want more water to get it clean. However, sometimes you forget to turn the tap off. It's in the off position now, but we're talking halfway full of water there. That's okay, I reckon. The door seems to be able to withstand it. It can't be great for the shocks and the springs and everything else. But then again, here we are. It's doing the job. I kind of like this machine. I got it, I don't know, 10 years ago for 15 quid. It had a motor brush that was stuck in the holder. So I had to repair that, and I just took it apart and cleaned it and put it back together. It kept tripping the fuse, the circuit breaker on the house. Residual current device on the house, so I just cleaned it off and it all worked out in the end. And it's been running happily ever since, but it keeps giving error 5 codes, and that means that it's not filling fast enough. I think that's to do with me adjusting the pressure switch, so it's taken too long to fill because it's trying to fill with more water before the pressure switch trips on some of the rinses. So I've been trying to help it by adding more water, but sometimes, like I say, you forget. It's working though. A lot of water. I might say it's wasteful. There we go. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.